Guys, so today I thought of making one video on one of the challenging tasks that we encounter in real time, that is converting a value, comma separated value into a value list. Okay, like for example, suppose you got a comma separated value like this. It's comma separated value. I have something like like Ram, Sham, Geeta, Sita, okay, Ravi, something like that. I have a comma separated value. Now I want to convert them into a value list or a page list. How do we do that? Like I want something like this, like names of one, okay, should be Ram. Names of two is supposed to be Sham. Names of three is equals to Geeta, and so on and on. Okay, so I have a comma separated value and I want to convert it into a value list as a page. This is one common scenario we encounter in real time, and those who are still beginners, they might find it difficult to convert. And I had one of my student who reached me recently that she encountered this problem in her real time application, and she asked me for a solution. So I thought, let me make a video so that it can help many people like her. Now this is pretty easy, guys. See, what I did is I wrote an activity first. Okay, I did a property set. Okay, I'm just framing some comma separated values like this. Maybe instead of numbers, I can take the same names that I have done here. I can just put the names like this. Okay, so we have some comma separated values. Okay, so I'm just framing that. Now I want to convert them into a page list. How can I do that? So we have some rule called as parse delimiter. Generally, we use this while dealing with file listeners, all those kind of things, we use it. This is parse rule. If you have any comma separated value, we can convert it into a value list using this rule. So you need to create a parse delimiter rule, and you have to mention that my delimiter is a comma. Okay, mention that. And here you need to mention it's a value list we are building, and you need to mention the property, the value list property. So if you see this property, it is a value list I have taken. So the most important thing here you need to know is you can use a parse delimiter rule basically to convert a comma separated value into a value list. So this is a parse delimiter rule, and this is a value list I'm using, and I have to first mention it is clipboard. You need to first mention this, and then you need to give your value list property here. So this rule is important. This plays a major role in converting a value list, comma separated value into value list. If you don't know this rule, what will you do? You will do iteration, you will do looping. You will first count the values in that comma separated thing, then you try to loop on it, then you try to parse it. You will do X, Y, Z things, which is little complicated. If you use this step in one single step, you will be able to achieve it. So just come here and use the method apply parse delimited. Give that rule name, whichever we just created, this particular rule name. Okay, parse account number dot tscsv. The same thing you will give. And what is the source property? Where is this? This is an account number, right? So I gave account number here. Source is this one. And where is destination? Destination is this one, right? We gave it here. This is the destination. In this, I'm going to get the values. Okay, now you can save, run, try and see. You will be able to convert the comma separated value into a value list. Run it, turn on the tracer, minimize, run, back to the tracer, make a full screen. See, this is the comma separated value which we gave as input, and this is the value list which we got as output. Pretty easy, right? Hope this helps. Thank you so much. Bye bye.